Alright, so as you can see with these three, this one is much worse off than these other two. This one looks like it's pretty brand new, but I don't remember what it looked like. It's been 10 years. When they start to feel a little rough and looking gray, then you can tell it's time to give them a little bath. And this one's pretty bad. To put these in the dishwasher, which is why this one is in such bad shape, although it's been 10 years. But the first thing we're going to do is get some 200 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to sand it down by hand. Just knock down all those rough spots. All right, normally with a cutting board, you'd want to wet this and then raise the grain and then resand it. But since these have already been sanded and treated, then we probably don't need to do that. But so we're going to use some butcher block conditioning oil that you can just find at Home Depot. And then we're just going to squeeze some on there. We got these before, well, as part of our wedding registry. This was before I really did that much woodworking. Not like I have the capability to make these things anyway. I mean, we're just gonna let them dry, raise them up a little bit off the surface. And I'm kind of disappointed about this one. I thought it would go back to this like golden orange color, but it's not really gray anymore. It's just not the color I thought it would be. Probably just came from a different piece of wood, or maybe it's a different, it's the same grain pattern. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just been hit the dishwasher too many times. I'm kind of disappointed about this one. But that's it, just let them dry, and then you can wipe them off again. And just do that every time they start feeling a little bit rough. But definitely hand wash these and don't put them in the dishwasher. Also, don't let them soak in water too long either. Since these are a solid piece, they're not going to break apart like a cutting board, but